Welcome to Car Hub, where the future of cars comes alive. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting SUVs of 2026, the Mitsubishi Outlander. A vehicle that perfectly blends technology, efficiency, and style into one bold machine. The 2026 Outlander is here to redefine what it means to drive a family SUV, smarter, sleeker, and stronger than ever before. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander commands attention. Its design has evolved into something futuristic yet instantly recognizable. The front fascia showcases Mitsubishi's new Dynamic Shield 2.0 design language, with a sharper grille, full-width LED daytime running lights, and a muscular stance that radiates confidence. The sculpted hood lines, flared fenders, and aerodynamic roof profile give it a bold, athletic posture that turns heads on every corner. Moving to the sides, the Outlander rides on newly designed 20-inch alloy wheels with a multi-spoke finish that complements its urban adventure personality. The chrome detailing has been refined, more elegant, less flashy, while the rear end introduces a sleeker LED light bar that runs across the width of the SUV. The result? A perfect blend of strength and sophistication. But Mitsubishi didn't just focus on looks. They worked on power, efficiency, and technology. Under the hood, the 2026 Outlander offers multiple powertrain options, catering to a wide range of drivers. The highlight remains the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV system, one of the best in its class. It combines a 2.4-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine with dual electric motors to deliver over 260 horsepower and all-wheel drive capability. The updated lithium-ion battery now offers an electric-only range of nearly 50 miles, letting you handle most daily commutes without using a drop of fuel. For those who prefer a traditional engine setup, a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine remains available, offering around 185 horsepower, tuned for smoother power delivery and improved fuel economy. Both powertrains are paired with Mitsubishi's advanced Super All-Wheel Control System, a technology that ensures maximum grip and control, no matter the terrain or weather conditions. The 2026 Outlander also introduces Mitsubishi's latest drive mode selector, allowing drivers to switch between normal, eco, gravel, snow, and tarmac modes, adjusting throttle response, suspension behavior, and torque distribution instantly, hitting the highway or tackling rough terrain. This SUV adapts effortlessly to your driving style. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how far the Outlander has come. The interior feels premium, refined, and incredibly comfortable. Mitsubishi has used soft-touch materials, stitched leather surfaces, and aluminum accents that give a true upscale vibe. The new 12.3-inch digital driver display delivers clear, customizable information, while the 13-inch infotainment touchscreen supports. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe